In problem 3, we want to sketch the most likely shape of each of these graphs. So in the first one, we're going to just take a look at these two pieces of information. Since its leading coefficient is 2, 2 is positive, that means it's going to go up on the end. Then we take a look at the degree. Since the degree is 4, that means it's got 3 turns. 1, 2, 3. So this is the most likely shape of y equals 2x to the fourth. Same thing with y equals negative 5x to the third. Since it's negative 5, that means it goes down on the end. Since the degree is 3, there's 2 turns. 1, 2. This is the most likely shape of y equals negative 5x to the third. For y equals 1/2 x, 1/2 is positive. That means it's going to go up at the end. And since the degree of x is 1, that means it's going to have 0 turns. So this one's just going to be a straight line. Which, when we take a step back and look at the equation, it looks like it's a straight line. Since it has y equals 1/2 x, that's 1/2 x plus 0, so that's slope-intercept form. Anyway, y equals negative x squared. Since the leading coefficient negative, that's negative 1. But negative 1's negative, so it's going to go down on the end. The degree is 2, so that means it has 1 turn. In part E, x to the fifth, the leading coefficient is 1. That's positive, so it's going to go up on the end. The degree is 5, so it has 4 turns. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then in part F, I threw in one from way back, so we still have to remember what the absolute value function looks like, which is going to be a v. And since 1/2 is negative, that also means it's going to go down at the end. And since we're talking about absolute value, that means we have to have this v shape. So that's what y equals negative 1/2 absolute value of x looks like.